Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I have thought that, it is coming up to Christmas, and this is kind of the time where we do spend a lot of time with our families and we do eat a lot of food. Throughout the years, I have gained knowledge on how to stay on track and to not go too overboard with all the Christmas binging. And so I'm going to share with you guys all of my points to help you stay on track this Christmas. So number one is to hit your protein. So normally when I go out, or I know that I'm going to be eating food that I can't really track or anything else like that, especially during the festive season where that happens a lot, I do like to make sure I firstly hit my protein to make sure I have eaten enough protein throughout the day, and then the rest of my macros and my calories can go on to more of the good stuff, and yeah, there's mince pies and cakes and everything else. So number two is I like to plan out my training days. So I know during Christmas Day, I know that a lot of gyms are going to be closed. So I like to plan my training days so my rest day falls on Christmas Day. I do love to do a heavy leg session before Christmas or on Christmas Eve. And so I know that I've had a really good workout before I have my rest day. And also, when you've had a heavy leg day, you've burnt more calories and you kind of need that rest day the next day. So I just find that that just works for me, especially with New Year's Eve and everything. The days that I know I'm not gonna be able to train, I like to leave as my rest days and train in between those days. So number three, if you do like to drink, especially on Christmas Day and New Year's Eve, I'm not personally a big drinker, but I will have like a drink or two. And if I do, I definitely like to go for the low calorie options like diet sodas, the low calorie alcohols like whiskey and vodka, not the sweet and sugary, really calorific drinks. So if you do want to drink just to help you consume a little bit less calories, it's really good to go for the low calorie options, so like Diet Coke and vodka. So you can still enjoy yourself and drink, just it's all about making the right choices and everything into consideration. So number four is something else that I have learned throughout the years. I do like to drink a lot of water when I know that I'm going to be eating a lot of food, because water of course helps all of us stay hydrated, but it also helps fill up the stomach so I don't feel like I need to pick binge, because Christmas time is the worst time with all the little snacks and the Pringles and the dips. Oh, so yummy. So good. But that is how you add on so many more calories. And number five is just relax, just enjoy spending all of your time with your family. For a lot of people, the Christmas times where they really worry about going off track with their diet and their fitness altogether, it's about enjoying yourself and keeping everything into moderation. And these ways of planning my training days, hitting my macros before, drinking water, all of those points are the things that I have learned throughout the years to just help me stay on track and not make me feel like I've just completely lost it over the Christmas period. And so I do hope that my tips do help you guys stay on track as much as you can over the Christmas periods, but just remember to enjoy yourself. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video.